Catch the wave of knowledge with us at Flair Insights. Today, peel back the layers of conducting effective market research. Whether you're a business maverick or a knowledge seeker, this guide is your stepping stone. Step 1. Define your objectives. It's like setting your compass. Are you charting a new course or gauging the winds of customer satisfaction? Your goals light up your path. Step 2. Choose your research methods. It's your toolbox filled with surveys, focus groups, data analysis, and more. Match the tools to your mission. Step 3. Collect data. It's like gathering seashells, each unique and filled with insights. Surveys, interviews, online research, all are treasure troves of information. Step 4. Analyze results. It's like surfing the waves, identify the ripples, the currents, and the calms. Turn your data into a surfboard to ride on. Step 5. Draw conclusions. It's like reading the stars. What does the sky tell you? What might need to change in your journey? Step 6. Make informed decisions. Now, you're the captain of your ship, steering with the compass of your research. Be it product development, marketing strategies, or enhancing customer experiences, your research is your guiding star. And thus, we've navigated the sea of market research together. Each step a puzzle piece, completing the picture of your market landscape. If this voyage was enlightening, remember to subscribe for more insights. Here at Flair Insights, we're your lighthouse in the vast ocean of market research. Until next time, keep exploring.